Hello guys, so I'm gonna make our brunch today. Nagiinit na ako ng pan dito. Tapos gagawa lang ako ng flour using oat, rolled oat, para ihalo ko sa egg. Yan. So, let's go. I still need more of the rolled oats. Pa-powderize lang natin to ulit. Alright, so I got my powdered rolled oats. And then what I'm gonna do is to put some eggs para maging siyang butter. 1, 2, 3 eggs. Let's make a butter with this one. Actually guys, nag-experiment lang naman ako para magkaroon ng healthy pero exciting na food. Diba? Here we go. So I got my buttered, pero parang masyado siyang dry. So let's add another one egg. So 4 eggs yung ginamit ko. 4, 5 na tawag doon. 4 na scoop ng rolled oats. Hindi, 5. 5 scoop ng rolled oats. Yan. So I think I got the right consistency for my butter. Here you go. Mabango. In fairness, mabango. I'll try to put salt na lang. And let me try. Try lang natin. O di kung hindi siya masarap, hindi na natin siya susubukan ulit. Diba? Yan. So again, this is for lunch. Hindi naman to breakfast. So, okay lang. Okay lang na may ganyang lasa. Alright. So, I got my butter already. Let's heat up again the pan para lutuin yung magiging wrap natin. So parang gagawa ako ng pita wrap. And then I will be using coconut oil. Ayan, coconut oil for my, tawag dito, tigas. For my oil. Just put some coconut oil here. Ang bango ng coconut oil. Para hindi dumikit yung gagawin natin na pita wrap. Do this like this. I hope makagawa ako ng perfect na wrap using the rolled oats. Hindi ako naglagay ng mga flour dito kaya yung pang-combine ko lang ng aking pita wrap is the egg. Sana ma-perfect ko siyang i-flip. Oh, beautiful. Look at that! Perfect! Sobrang perfect ng aking wrap. At ang bango niya, fairness. I think nakatulong din yung coconut oil sa bango ng ginagawa ko na to. Guys, this is my first time doing this one. I think we got the perfect pita wrap. Then let's make another one using the same coconut oil. Here you go. Till the day that I turn. Baliktarin na natin. Oh my God. Na. She's perfect. Pagawa ulit tayo ng perfect. So I think the combination of rolled oats and egg, it's a perfect one. I'm gonna do this all the time. Another coconut oil para i-heat up itong ginawa kong chicken torta. This is a chicken breast with potatoes and spinach. So, wala itong masyadong flavor. Ginamit ko lang talaga yung flavor ng chicken. And it's really nice kasi ang dami nito. Pang third day ko pa lang ito linuluto. Pero ito na lang yung natitira. So again, this is a high protein food din as well. Pero hindi ko siya tinatrack kung ilang grams ng protein ang nilagay ko na dito. There you go, ang bango. Ang bango talaga ng ginawa ko na to. This, of course, veggies muna. Bago lahat. Veggies muna tayo. Sobrang simple lang. And let's just put this chicken on top. As for my... Let's try this one. Again, I made a rolled oats fita. Here you go. And then there's also your kimchi. And for my dessert, this one. So again, wala pa akong kinain. It's already 1. No breakfast. Oh no, I got the breakfast, but it's just a plain black coffee. Kaya yung snacks, breakfast, and lunch, and this one. Isahan na yan. Perfect! Ang sarap! Pwede. Like a pancake. Ganyan. Hindi siya na break dito, kaya ang ganda niya pangarap. Give it a try and let me know. Bye!